Hi students, this is Miss Barrow. I'm going to make a quick video about how you can take a picture of your work and upload it onto Canvas. The first thing you do is you go to the Finder in the bottom left corner. It's the happy face that's half blue and half white, and you click on it. You go to Applications, you type in Photo Booth. Make sure you spell it correctly. Then you click on this icon and the photo booth comes up. Alright, once the photo booth comes up, you hold up your work in front of you and you take the picture by clicking this button. And then you get a horrible picture of yourself if your face is in the picture, but you're a beautiful person, so don't get your face in the picture and don't embarrass yourself like I do. Take the picture, drag it to the desktop, and then if you look, you can exit out of photo booth, and the picture is still there. Once you've done that, you go to Canvas, and then all you do is you submit it the same way you would submit any other assignment. Hopefully this helped you, and you'll do well on your project. Good luck.